Welcome back, YouTube viewers. This is a very quick one for you. I thought this is kind of fun, but this is a video of all the junk that I've found in this machine that doesn't belong in the machine. So anyway, it's just a real short one, but I thought you might enjoy looking at this. So here you go. Now, the thing that amazes me about this is, look at the size of this. This is a chunk of wood, charcoal at this point. I don't know if it came from the ceiling, whatever, but the only way this could have possibly gotten into the machine is to come up from the bottom where the holes are at the bottom are really big. So this is the only way. I've seen chunks of debris in there before, and never realizing where they're coming from. But they got to be coming from up underneath and going upwards. So, you know, whether they got, like, they washed in there with a fire hose, I'm not sure. But look at the size of this piece of wood. Now this is a screw and washer, and I know exactly where these came from. This was the spool hub. It holds the spool hub in, and it was loose on one. Must have been laying there for a long time before anything happened. And then once it got wet and flooded, okay, the screw actually rusted into this glob of metal. I thought somebody left it in there, but then I realized after fixing the other spool hub that someone, it got loose and came loose, and it was sitting underneath there. So it's underneath that little wing nut there, so it didn't fall out. But it must have collected with a lot of water to rust like this. Now this last one had me puzzled for the longest time, because I kept running across these little somewhat look like washers. I thought there were some kind of washers, and I couldn't figure out where are these coming from. So I kept putting them aside, and I've got 4 so far. There may be more yet to come at this point. But after looking at them really carefully, I realized what they were. So I said, those are the tabs off of switches or outlets. So when an electrician was building this studio, okay, because remember the studio had just been completed before it burnt to the ground. So when the electrician was building the studio, they broke these tabs off, and they must have been laying on the floor someplace. And when the fire happened, they got washed up into this machine. And so far I got 4 of them. Who knows how many more there are. But anyway, I thought that's a good one for you. Well, hopefully you got a kick out of that, because it was pretty comical to see this stuff inside the machine. So, yeah, fire can really do a lot of damage, and obviously that's all from the water and stuff washing stuff into the machine, not the actual fire itself. There's no smoke damage in there, because it really was the place next door that burnt down. This is all the water damage that came into this unit from the fire next door and from the roof collapsing on it. But anyway, I hope you had a good time. So please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Click the bell. I'll notify you about the next one. And take care, and we'll see you again.